Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove the new ransomware that is called Lucifer Kobs. Lucifer Kobs is a piece of malicious software classified as ransomware. We discovered this program while inspecting new malware submissions to the virus total database. And we also found out that it is a new variant of the Spore ransomware. After executing this file, Lucifer Kobs, it starts immediately encrypting the data that people store on their hard drives. So before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, and other data. Regretfully, pretty soon after this ransomware injects the system, it is no longer possible to use the data. It encrypts the files and changes their file names. The titles are appended with a unique ID assigned to the victim, the attacker's email address, and an extension consisting of 4 random characters. So, in some cases, certain ransomware programs may assign a specific extension to the files, but this particular one does not really assign a certain extensions. In other words, the extension that is added is a random one. So now you can see the consequences, the results of this ransomware attack. The ransomware places this ransomware note on your computer screen and mentions that customers, the victims, need to pay the special ransom for file restoration and to contact the developers using this email address, lucifer.kobs@mailfans.com. This is why the ransomware is called like that. But as I said, the extension that is added by this ransomware is random. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. We strongly urge you not to pay the ransom, otherwise you may simply lose your money. What we recommend you to do is to immediately use a special antivirus software that will help you to properly remove this ransomware. You might need to use Internet Explorer browser to download it. The software is called Combo Cleaner and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this official website to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. Use this green download button to download the software, install it, and after it gets installed, start researching and investigating your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all, update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So just wait some time until the anti-malware database is updated. Then after that, the program will begin scanning and researching and analyzing your computer. I would like to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, of course, is a part of the premium license only. So we need to wait a little bit more until the anti-malware database is successfully updated and installed. After that, the program will begin scanning and researching your computer. So we can now clearly see that the scanning has already begun. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threads that were revealed. By the way, Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and deleting the majority of threats, including adware, browser hijackers, potentially unwanted programs, and of course ransomware like this one called Lucifer Kobs. Combo Cleaner with its premium version will also help you very well to protect all your data from being damaged and encrypted in the future. By the way, Combo Cleaner is also available both for Mac and for Windows computers. So this is the summary of the threats that were revealed during the scan. We do recommend that you upgrade to Premium to remove all of them altogether and automatically. And this is the best way to keep your data always safe and secure and protected.